Okay, this is paradiddle number 3, and this is my final one. Okay, and this one is right, right, left, right, left, left, right, left. And I'll draw the accents in on the notes. Now the reason I'm doing that is because you'll know which paradiddles you tried and which ones you didn't. There's many paradiddles, 20 something, 26 or 27 rudiments or so. Let's get started with this. Okay, so that's left, left, right, left, right, right, left, right. Okay, accent is on the last note. Remember again, I'll mention it again, to relax your shoulders, keep your shoulders nice and dropped and relaxed. So I'm going to speed up here, and I'll slow it down gradually so you can follow if you wish. And that completes the third paradiddle. Okay, that's 3 out of 3. Let's put this in context and see and listen to how this sounds. Okay.